Hello everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you about the backup and reset settings of your device Vivo Y02s. So if you want to learn about the backup and reset settings of your device Vivo Y02s, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn all about the backup and reset settings of your device.